Hi, Vlad here. Today we're going to talk about the new stress test that's coming on January 1st of 2018. What that's going to do, or rather the overall gist of the issue, is that everybody who's applying for a mortgage right now will be tested, and their ability to pay is going to be tested against a much higher interest rate than before. Instead of being tested, say, against a 5-year prime rate of roughly 3%, people are going to be tested against a 5% rate, and that will dampen or really change the ability of people to pay, and a lot of people will fall off the market. We've been running with the previous incarnation of a stress test for about a year now, and that was applicable to people with less than 20% down payment, i.e. insured mortgages. Now it's going to be applied across the board. This will bring the overall number of the affected pool of buyers to 20%, i.e. 1 in 5 buyers will no longer be in a position, or rather will no longer be in a position to purchase anything in the real estate market come 2018. The people that are going to be affected disproportionately is the move-up buyers, or people that already have equity in the house that they're planning to sell, pull the money out, and move into a larger property. As with everything, there is a bit of a silver lining, and certainly it is the case here as well. We have a lot of uncertainties in the marketplace now, specifically the issues with the NAFTA. Nobody knows what that will hold in the coming year. We have the stress test that's coming in. We have few interest rate hikes, and now the Bank of Canada, of course, is concerned about the overall impact, or cumulative impact, of all those considerations onto the Canadian economy in the coming years, and it's very likely that there is going to be no interest rate hikes in the short to medium term. Now, if you're in the market and you're thinking about selling or you're thinking about purchasing, it's very key that you act right now. If you're a buyer, you utilize your pre-approvals or go to a bank and get a pre-approval right now before the new regulations kick in. Again, the deadline is January 1st, 2018, and buy the property that you were thinking of, because your ability to purchase will be diminished by up to 25% in 2018. If you're a seller, again, if you have to sell, if you don't have to sell, sit down, tighten your financial belts, and perhaps rent the property out. But if you have to sell, you ought to do this right now. The window of opportunity is between today and the second part of December. In other words, it's very, very short. Act now. There's a spike in buyer activity. Get your property sold. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us directly at 416-835-0038, or research our website for more information at www.mitchellmovesyou.com. As always, we're giving you facts about strategic real estate investment and home ownership. And we wish you best of luck today and in the coming year. See you next time.